Good morning. Today's Wednesday of week 3 of Learning Online, and it is April 8th. Today we have, for our virtual fun, we're doing Poem in Your Pocket. So make sure that at some point today you find a poem, and I want you to have that poem ready for our Zoom meeting, and you can read us your poem or tell us your poem. You can write a poem, you can look up a poem, and I'll read you my poem of choice today at the end of this video. So, make sure that you are checking all the posts that were created yesterday. On our Good Morning message, it's where you take your attendance, watch the video from beginning to end, listen to everything. There's important information on here, I promise, but you got to listen to it. Don't forget to find your poem in your pocket, and our Zoom meeting has changed to 2, and I will post our Zoom meeting ID on our Good Morning message. I won't post it again later, just one time. You've got to remember where that is. Here was some information on the science biomes. If you didn't read the posts from yesterday, you need to do that today. And our post yesterday about our Zoom meeting. Let me go to classwork. Monday and Tuesday's math. Most of you did super awesome on Monday and Tuesday's math. If I left you a note to try again, please go back and try again. And I have the answers here on this page. I don't want you to just go and change your answer. You have to be proving it to me what you did to learn. How did you get it wrong the last time, and what did you need to do to get it right? I think that some of you are not rounding to the correct place value, which you should have put on your paper to begin with, based on the video that I posted for that lesson. But you need to be rounding to the correct number. Now, there were many problems like number 3 or on number 16, 2, 3, and 4, where you had to round each answer in order to find which was the rounded number in the problem. Round each answer to find which was the rounded problem in the rounded number in the problem. Okay, so I want you to check your math assignment notes on that. Now, your math assignment is due tomorrow. If you do it all today, that's fine. You can turn it in. It's a new lesson, and there's a new video on there. Science biomes. I gave instructions yesterday on how to make you understand that. Science animal book is due today. Make sure that that's turned in today. STEM scopes. That's until tomorrow, so don't worry about that tomorrow unless you're ahead of the game. Your social studies 2 entries. You have to start writing. Yes, you start writing. You're going to decide, who are you? Are you Lewis or Clark? And 2 journal entries from their perspective in that time. Reading Achieve 3000 was due Monday. If you have any notes, go check it. Check your grade on that. Reading on Epic is due today, Wednesday. Make sure that you write that summary about the 2 chapters that you wrote, and your spelling assignments are due tomorrow. Okay? If you are caught up on all of that, how can you change your grade? How can you do something? You can go back to old grades, and if they're not, 80, 90, 100, and you want to improve that grade, go ahead and work on those assignments if you're caught up and ahead. Also, don't forget, AR points are due by Friday, and you should be up to 50 AR points at 80% or higher. So that needs to be done. So every afternoon after our Zoom meeting, you should be working on those AR points as well. Now let me read you my poem. I think that my poem is about friendship right now, and this poem that I found is called True Friends, and it says, when you're down on your knees, when your life feels in tatters, in your darkest hours, friends are there when it matters. Then when the sun shines, with your confidence renewed, you share your happy moments, and your friends celebrate with you. When we get out of this, we are going to be celebrating. If we still don't get out of this by the end of the year, we are going to get together over the summer, and we are going to celebrate, as true friends do. Have a great day. Find me a cool poem for later at Zoom. Thank you.